We had an audio problem and I'm going to be doing a voiceover. Sorry, hang in there with me. Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be doing something fun today. It's called a hearty autumn kale bean soup. And we're doing it inside today because it was raining and now it's snowing. What I've done ahead of time is I have cooked my beans. They're white beans, 2 cups of white beans, and I've cooked those ahead of time. I have about 2 cups of pork, lean pork, that I have sauteed, browned in onions, and that's all ready to go, and we're going to put that into my cast iron pot here. I love this cast iron pot. It is so wonderful. It's great to cook with inside. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of diced carrots. Of course, all of this is from our garden, which is absolutely wonderful. There goes my beans, my white beans that I prepared. Why we thought this would be a great soup to do today is because we got to go out and finish harvesting our garden this afternoon. And now I'm putting in my spices, and I always pre-measure them and put them in a little bowl. I've got garlic, cumin, cayenne, pepper, and thyme, a teaspoon of each. I'm going to put those in, and you put in a couple bay leaves. There we go. Mix that good. And for my liquid, I use low sodium chicken broth, the organic chicken broth. We love that if you don't have time to make your own. It's all about convenience, and what we can do ahead of time is great. And there's my kale. And when you do kale, this is kale that we've grown ourselves too, is you cut that thicker stem off in the middle and you chop that. You don't have to chop it real fine. We're going to put all that in there. It's about 4 cups. Mix that all together real well. Then we're going to put this in the oven with the lid on, of course. Mix that all together real well. Put the lid on and bake it in the oven at 300 for 2 hours. And there we go, dinner will be done. And I am going to put the rest of that chicken broth on there. As you can see, there's a lot going on in that pot. Just remember to please to go to our website. It is wyomingdutchovencooking.com. We have a free guide and a recipe book. And we're also an Amazon affiliate, so you can order my favorite spices and cookware, which that's where you can order this wonderful enamel Dutch oven. And they come in different colors, but of course I love the green. And of course, like I told you, it's the same price for you. We just get a little commission for our videos that we do each week. So we're going to pop this in the oven, get it cooking. While this is cooking, we're going to go outside and harvest our garden in the snow and rain, unfortunately. And then we're going to come in and have this wonderful dinner all ready for us. Nothing better than a one-pot meal. Thank you. Just remember to please subscribe, hit that like button, and we love a comment. Please give us a comment and share with all your friends and family. Thank you. Well, we got the garden harvested and we didn't freeze to death, just in time to come inside for a wonderful bowl of our hearty autumn kale bean soup. And boy, did it turn out wonderful. You know, and what goes good with this is a piece of homemade focaccia bread or any kind of bread, but I did not have time to do that today. That'll have to be at another time, and guess what? In another video. That's something that I think I can do, is a wonderful focaccia bread in a Dutch oven. Look at this, isn't this wonderful? Everything got cooked perfectly. There we go. And then what I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese, put that on top. And remember, I told you to hang in with me till the very end, that I had a very special tip for you that is really yummy in this soup. And it is a tablespoon or more, if you like, of boar's head mustard. And this is a white horseradish one. It is absolutely awesome. So that's my tip. Thanks for hanging in there. Just remember to please subscribe, hit the like button, and please share with all your family and friends. We appreciate you. We believe in great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Thank you for joining us today. Here is to all of our viewers until we meet again. Thank you.